Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sunbeam electric blanket and it's flashing on the display. It's flashing you an F2 error and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it? So real simply, the F2 error happens when the blanket doesn't get enough electricity to work properly. So what you want to do to get rid of this error is, first of all, you want to just turn it off. And then once you turn it off, you can actually first unplug it and then go and just make sure that all the connections are solid. Make sure that everything's plugged into the wall properly, everything is connected properly and securely. And once you do that, you can restore power to it, turn it back on, and that should restore power to it. Now, if that doesn't restore power to it, the next thing to do would be to actually replace the controller, because it might be something within the controller that is throwing up this error beyond, where it plugs into the wall or something like that. It could be some sensor within the controller, and the best thing to do at that point is just to replace the controller. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.